How to see how many hours you have played a game on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can see how many hours we have played a game on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to roblox.com and make sure to log into your account. So once you're logged into your roblox.com through any web browser, now in order to see how many hours you have played a game, you have to add an extension. So to add an extension, click on this extension icon at the top right corner, and from here click on manage extension. Once you're here, click on Chrome Web Store and in the search bar type in RPro, and you have to go to this first extension from your search results, which is RPro Enhance Your Roblox Experience. So you have to add this extension to your Chrome. Here next to this extension, you will see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it. So once you have added this extension to your Chrome, go back to your Roblox, and then now you can refresh your page. After that, if you navigate to your top right corner, there you will have this icon as RPro. Click on it, and here make sure you have turned on or the toggle right here that says experience playtime tracking is turned on from here. Now once you have turned that, you can go back to your Roblox. After that, you may have to verify user settings. So in this section, you will have an option to verify. Simply click on it, follow the instructions, and then you'll be able to verify the user settings. So once you have verified, now if you go and open up any game from your home page, so right below the experience or the game name, you will see the time. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.